Computer Organization. Topic: Addition and Subtraction of Logic Unit. I am Shreyas from PES ITM. Contents: First one, what is ALU? Second one, binary addition. Third one, binary subtraction. Fourth one, ones complement. Fifth one, twos complement. Sixth one, half adder. Seventh one, full adder. Introduction to ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. ALU is a digital circuit that performs arithmetics like addition and subtraction, and logics like AND or NOT operations. John von Neumann proposed the ALU in 1945 when he was working on EDVAC. What is ALU? ALU is the digital circuit that performs integer arithmetic and logic operation. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. Typical schematic symbol of an ALU. Friends, as we can see in the diagram, A and B are the inputs of the ALU, R is the output or a result, F is the code or a instruction for the control unit, D is the output status. It indicates cases such as carry in, carry out, overflow, division by zero, and addition and subtraction of logic unit. First one, binary addition. How to add binary numbers? Friends, there is some certain rules for addition of binary numbers. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1. These are the rules of the binary addition. We can see in truth table in right side 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Example for the binary addition. Friends, as we can see here, 28 plus 26 is equal to 54. We can write 28 in binary representation as like 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And 26 as 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then we have to add this both. 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 0 plus 1 become 1, 1 plus 0 become 1, 1 plus 1 become 1, 0. Means we have to write 0 as it is and take 1 as carry. That carry 1 plus 1 plus 1 become 1, 1. This gives the answer 54. And the next one is binary subtraction. How to subtract a binary number? There is some certain rules for subtraction of binary numbers. That is 0 minus 0. It gives 0. 0 minus 1 gives 1. 1 minus 1. It gives 0. 1 0 minus 1. It gives 1. These are the rules of binary subtraction. Example for binary subtraction. As we seen in the picture, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. We can write 7 as 1 1 1 0 and 5 as 1 0 1 0. By applying a rules, 1 minus 1 gives 0, 1 minus 0 gives 1, 1 minus 1 gives 0, 0 minus 0 gives 0. 0101 is a binary representation of number 2. And the another example is 15 minus 7. It gives 8. We can write 15 as 1 1 1 1 and 7 as 1 1 1 0. If we minus this, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and again 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and 1 minus 0 becomes 1. 0 0 0 1 It is the binary representation of 8. Next concept is 1's complement and 2's complement. First one, 1's complement subtraction. Subtraction of a binary number using the 1's complement method allows subtraction only by addition. The 1's complement of a binary number can be obtained by changing all 1's to zeros and all zeros to 1. 1's complement method. To subtract a smaller number from a larger number, the 1's complement method is as follows. Remove the carry and add it to the result. This carry is called end around carry. Example of 1's complement. Friends, here we have to subtract 0101 from 1111. As we can see in the picture in a leftermost side, direct subtraction. 1111 minus 0101. It means 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. It gives the answer 1010. We can do this same in a 1's complement method. First we have to write as it is 1111 and we have to make 1's complement of 0101. It means we have to convert zeros to 1 and 1's to 0. It becomes 1010. Then we have to make a plus. 1 plus 1, 0, 1. We have to write 0 as it is and take 1 as carry. That carry 1 plus 0 becomes 10. We have to write 0 as it is and take 1 carry. That carry 1 plus 1 becomes 1, 1. We have to write 1 as it is and take carry 1. That carry 1 plus 0 becomes 10. And we have to make that carry into a lowermost side of the digit unit. It means 0010 plus we have to add that carry plus 1. It becomes 1010. So we can see here direct subtraction and 1's complement method. Both answer are the one and the same. Subtraction step. Subtraction of a large number, a smaller one by the 1's complement method involves the following steps. The answer is the 1's complement of the result and is opposite in the sign. There is no carry. 2's complement subtraction. The 2's complement of a binary number can be obtained by adding 1 to its 1's complement. Steps. Subtraction of a smaller number from a larger one by the 2's complement method involves the following steps. Omit the carry. There is always a carry in this case. Example of 2's complement. Subtract 0101 from 1111. It is a direct subtraction method. In direct subtraction method, 1111 minus 0101. 1 minus 0 gives 1. 1 minus 1 gives 0. 1 minus 0 gives 1. 1 minus 1 gives 0. The answer is 1010. We can do this same in a 2's complement method. We have to write 1111 as it is and we have to make 2's complement of 0101. To make it 2's complement, first we have to make it 1's complement and add plus 1 to it. We make 010 to 1's complement, it becomes 1010 and we have to add plus 1 to it. Then it becomes 0 1 1 0. Then we have to add this both number. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1 0. We have to write 0 as it is and take 1 as carry. That carry 1 plus 1 gives 1 1. We have to write 1 as it is and take 1 as carry. That 1 plus 1 becomes 1 0. The answer gives 1 0 1 0 1. Here we don't need to bring carry and we have to add it. We have to write as it is carry. Subtraction step. The carry is discarded, though the answer is 1 0 1 0. The second's complement method for a subtraction of a large number from a smaller one is as follows. To get an answer in true form, takes the 2's complement and change the sign. And the next concept is half adder and full adder. And the next concept is half adder. Half adder is a combinational arithmetic circuit that adds two numbers and products a sum bit and a carry bit C as the output. If A and B are the input bits, then sum bit S is the XOR of A and B, and the carry bit C will be the AND of A and B. From this, it is clear that a half adder circuit can be easily constructed using one XOR gate and one AND gate. The Boolean equations. For a sum, S is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. For a carry, C is equal to A into B. Half adder circuit and its truth table. Friends, to construct a half adder circuit, we need two gates. One is XOR gate, it denotes the sum, and one is AND gate, it denotes the carry. By using XOR gate and AND gate, we can easily construct the half adder circuit. We can see in the picture. See, A and B is the input for both XOR gate and AND gate. In a truth table, we can see in input XY means AB. If we give input 0 0, then the sum is 0 and the carry is 0. If we give the input 0 1, then the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. If we give the input 1 0, sum is 1 and the carry is 0. If we give the input 1 1, then sum is 0 and the carry is 1. This is how we can identify its truth table and half adder circuit. And the next concept is full adder. A full adder adds binary numbers and accounts for value carried in as well as out. The full adder circuit adds three binary numbers as an input, A, B, C in, and two outputs, 1-bit binary numbers, a sum S and a carry C out. A full adder can be constructed from two half adder by connecting A and B to the input of one half adder, connecting the sum from that to the input to the second adder, connecting Ci to the other input and or the two carry outputs. Boolean equation is, for a sum, S is equal to A bar B bar Ci plus A bar B C bar I plus A B bar C bar I. For a carry, C is equal to A bar B C I plus A B bar C I plus A B C bar I plus A B C I. full adder circuit and its truth table. Friends, we know that to construct a full adder circuit, we need two half adder circuit. In full adder circuit, there is three inputs A, B, C in, and there is only two output S and another one is C out. As we can see in the diagram, the inputs are X and Y. We have to take it as A and B and C in. 0 0 0, then sum is 0 and the carry out is 0. If we take 0 0 1, the sum is 1 and the carry out is 0. If we take 0 1 0, sum is 1 and the carry out is 0. If we take 0 1 1, sum is 0 and the carry out is 1. If we take 1 0 0, sum is 1 and the carry out is 0. If we take 1 0 1, then the sum is 0 and the carry out is 1. If we take 1 1 0, the sum is 0 and the carry out is 1. If we take 1 1 1, then sum is 0 and the carry out is also 0. By this, we can understand the half adder circuit and its truth table. Thank you.